I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about an opportunity from West Company. It is internship plus full-time job offer. So I'm going to tell you about everything. So please watch the video till the end. So your title will be as graduate software trainee in digital and transformation department, and your work location is Bangalore, Karnataka. Okay. So here they have told you about the company that if you will work with them, you will be working by the side of the patient and customer. Their global team members and communities in which they operate. You will be able to contribute to a healthier world. You can go through this para if you want to know about the company. So I will tell you about the job summary. So the graduate software trainee digital and transformation will be involved in the development, proof of concept building, architectural design and enhancement of application for the West. It is 6-month full-time paid internship as a graduate software trainee, during which you will be undergoing through training and work on internal life project. And after the completion of internship and graduation, you will be appointed as associate software engineer. Okay, and during your work, you will be exposed to fundamental software engineering principles and concepts, and you will be working in global and virtual environment. So let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. Graduate of B.Tech stream Computer Science, Electronic and Communication, Information Technology, Information Science, and MC graduate of 2021 and 2022 batch are eligible for applying. With this, you should available to join in January 2022. You should have minimum aggregate marks of 70% in 12th, 10th, graduation, and if you are graduate, then in post graduation too. Okay. So this is the eligibility criteria. If you are comfortable with this eligibility criteria, then you can apply for the opportunity. So they have mentioned some essential duties and responsibilities which you will be holding. So as a recent graduate, this role provides opportunity for exposure to fundamental software engineering principles and concepts. It requires the knowledge to participate in the development, proof of concepts, building architectural designs, enhancement of application, for which you will be getting training during the 6-month internship period as graduate software trainee. And then with direction and guidance, you will develop cross platforms mobile applications, you implement industrial IoTs, building highly scalable web application using Microsoft web platform tools, automate test of the web and cross platform products, develop solution for immersive experience using AR, VR and MR. You will learn to work to build business knowledge and transform this knowledge and business requirement into technical specification with support, estimate technical requirement and breakdown work to user stories and tasks, along with planning, developing, testing and deploying solution in a dev OPS model, and with supervision learn and implement automation test framework for web, API and mobile platform by closely working with leads and architects on various prototypes or proof of concept to test solution. Okay, so this about the essential duties and responsibilities. So skills and abilities, they have mentioned few skills which are required, like you should have an ability to work in global and virtual environment and to effectively prioritize and execute tasks. You should have ability to work in fast paced environment and utilize sound judgment with an ability to operate with a sense of urgency. You should able to aware of all relevant SOPs as per company policy as they are related to the position covered by this job description. Okay, so you also have physical and travel requirement in this opportunity, like 50% travel. You will be traveling 15%, including global travel. So and occasionally on call work as per requirement. Okay, so here they have told you about some important thing. If you have these points, it is good for you, but if you don't have, it's okay. This means they are not mandatory. Okay, like knowledge with technologies like net, REST APIs, SQL is an advantage to you. If you are familiar with Azure cloud platform, again advantage to you. If you have developing, testing and deploying mobile application to the Apple Play Store or to the Google Play. If universal window platforms, app development, XAML and Visual Studio, if you're aware of these platforms, app development and other, it is an advantage to you. If you are familiar with Azure IoT based solution using Azure IoT, Azure Steam Analytics and other services, again advantage to you. If you have automation testing for web platform and mobile platform, various code repositories, and if you have an ability of developing in an agile methodology with Visual Studio Team services as your OPS, it is an advantage to you, but these are not mandatory. Basically, these are the plus skills. If you have them, it's okay, well and good. If you don't, then also it doesn't matter much. You will be able to learn all these things during your job as well as internship. So here they have told that West is an equal opportunity employer and they valued at their company. So they do not discriminate on the basis of race, religion, color, national origin, gender, sex, gender identity, sexual orientation, age, martial status, or disability status. They do not discriminate on any basis. They have fair opportunity for all. So if you have any special need that required accommodation in order to apply to the West, you can send email. They have mentioned their email ID, so if you can contact them through this email. So I have told you about everything, skills requirement, travel requirement, responsibilities, duties, eligibility criteria, and every other important thing which are required, which is necessary for you to know about the opportunity. So the opportunity is knocking at your door. Please apply as soon as possible you can. Description is given below, so please apply. It is a wonderful opportunity for the graduates, and till then, keep learning, keep watching, and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.